Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix audio delay in video on Android. Audio delay happens when the sound is not synchronized with the video, often due to playback or processing issues. First, close the video player app or reopen the video and try playing it again. If the video was recorded on your phone, restart the phone and try playing it again. Also, check if the video file is corrupted by playing it on another device. If the issue occurs with streaming apps, clear the app cache by going to Settings and then Apps. If the audio delay continues, consider converting the video to a different format using a converter app, which may fix sync issues. Finally, update your Android system and apps to the latest version. That's it. We just learned how to resolve audio delay in videos on Android by restarting the app using a different player, clearing cache, and updating the system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.